Hello everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I would be unboxing Novoo Universal Portable Charger. It's called Universal because this can be used with any of your devices such as laptops, cell phones, cameras, anything. It's not just limited to your mobile phones as with the traditional power banks, and it has a storage capacity of 20,100 milliampere. It has a quick charging universal travel charger as well. Let's see what's behind the box. It comes with a 12 months warranty period, and it also has safety features to prevent the surge of the electricity. Also, it is compact and portable. Yeah, this is of very smaller size. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Here is our power bank. As you can see, it has three ports. One is USB-A port, the other one is Type-C port. This is compatible with even your MacBook Pro, the latest versions. This is a Thunderbolt port, so you can use it to charge your MacBooks as well. Here is the AC power outlet, so you can plug in your AC power cord over here and charge any of your devices. This is the indicator light which shows the charging thing. Other than that, here is the input, like which is used to charge this device. Let's see what's inside this box. They have provided a power card for charging this. Yeah. You would charge your power bank using the power cord they have provided, and also they have provided a USB Type-A cable which you can use as well. Now I have got my laptop as well as my cell phone. Let me connect these and check like how this power bank works. I am connecting my mobile USB cable to the USB-A port and the laptop charger to the power outlet. As you can see, the mobile is getting charged over here, and in case of the AC power outlet, you need to turn on the power button to charge it. You need to hold it for 3-4 seconds. Once you hold it for 3-4 seconds, you can see a green light which indicates that the AC power outlet is turned on. Now you can notice here that the laptop is getting charged. This is one of the unique devices with a larger capacity which you can carry when you're traveling. As you can see, like this power bank is universal, which can be used to charge any kind of device you can think of. It has like 3 ports so that you can charge all your devices at a time, and this is very useful whenever you are traveling. Usually there were a couple of instances when people face that they have to turn on their laptop and there won't be any power. At the time, this would be very useful. I recommend this product to all my viewers because this is very portable, because this is just little bigger than that of your soft drink can, and it comes at an affordable price.